Yes. Ah, DJ, you don't go play music for me?
No minor.
I might not pay money to play music.
If you don't play, if DJ don't play song, we're not starting the show.
Now because I'm not give them tips. Last week we come here, Shark, he play music.
I don't understand what
they go all of them just waka go. And I greet her like who repair bicycle. You know say bicycle repairer. Once you don't climb on top to test the bicycle whether it work, you know they come down again. Don't move.
You don't get that means to give her money last week.
Funny enough, I don't feel like this one.
Why?
I got the power. Me, I know they bother. I know be footballer, but I sabi do the Ronaldo. I got the power.
DJ, volume.
I don't even hear myself.
Footballer, but I sabi do the Ronaldo. Take it, allergy.
You know, big boys, now one man and they dance talking.
Allergy.
Big boys, you already know the head.
Okay, big boy,
You dey making me go mad.
After you don't dance, get a laugh.
Go harder. You dey making me wanna craze.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, shit.
Nah, kill it. Thank you. Yeah.
DJ, you don't try today. Because, in fact,
You no try.
one now, why you go wait Muku beg and before you go play music? What's wrong with him?
No, but Ugo, you come this bar first today. Wetin happen? You and the guy quarrel.
I'm not quarrel now. I just enter, see where they are hail and say, hey, guy, how far? Tunde, which way?
Nigeria's
I
going
know
to take
hail and
hailing like
pass.
that.
You know they take hailing.
Hail
You know they see policeman for road, you go to land and say, I hail you. The only place where they hail person are for Nigerian pledge of the national anthem where they say Nigeria we hail thee. Since that time, they hail again.
I know tell on how I dey drive when police stop me. When they say make me laugh. I call the crack joke. I crack joke that police no laugh.
You don't go laugh now.
When I give the guy 500, the guy begin laugh. Say, oh boy, you funny.
You're very funny. Yes, boy, you're very funny. Yes, now.
Yes, I beg, if you just say see us, yes, so we see we don't dance, so don't jollificate. Not do yourself too much. This one, our Wazobia TV. This, now the show they call BOBOS.
Yeah.
We yarn the yarn, and we talk the talk. Yes, so then as we do, I'm sharply. This one, another wonderful Monday. We will come carry Sunjuna today. This week, now very prolific week because we know say February don't start. And it gets some kind of prolific things, so we won't carry Sunjuna because now better week with this. Now, we got a Sunjuna some things. This is now our week where we say we will bring France come. France go come and celebrities say go come.
We call them
Celebrity
and
Fans Week. Now what we going to do? Every first week.
But, Ugo,
Yes, now.
you say this week na love week. I know you
know say
But I no say love.
Wetin dey
Okay,
worry you?
no.
I no say
You
bad.
say when
I no say love.
You don't start
when I hear February now, you know, because the love now don't they miss with election. So we no fit call say this is love month again. You understand?
Now, wait
That day, my
Election
love
month.
is PVC. Oh.
That day,
My love is PVC.
that day when I finish election, there's
When
no
you finish
way.
election, when you finish vote, now you want to do the full election.
You be like say you know
You
say.
behind neck.
I beg yes, if you just join us. Now, Bobos here minutes. The matter we want to talk about today, they're very prolific. No worry, you go still talk. Yes, the matter is prolific. The matter we'll carry Sunjuna today. Now, one very simple and sweet question. Wetin dey turn man on if you see woman for the very first time?
Kayama!
Sorry.
Kaya!
Kekutiti. Kuto, kekeruto, kototu.
Ugo, come on your eyeglass.
Wait.
first. Come on your eyeglass.
Why?
They say remove eyeglass. You know, say this one the wear eyeglass from Bele. Come, maybe you don't see something. You don't see something where you don't see.
Oh yeah, talk the topic again very well.
Na mahukuzo. Yes.
You want my now.
Waiting be the topic
Wetin
again.
dey turn man on
Chai.
the very first time wey you see woman. No matter what we want to talk about today with that. Our social media portals, they run through your screen. Una know as we dey do am, our regulars, one I did there, one I always watch us, they follow us. Well. I beg, make una dey send in the messages them. Sharply. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, email, everywhere. Make we the Sunji matter.
Ugo, I don't know where you go bring this topic from, but anywhere where you bring her from, I don't want to say at the wrong place, so because the question then a very nonsense question. You know why? It's just like say you ask person say, Wetin man they like once you enter a restaurant. How you won't know Wetin person dey like when inside where restaurant wey be say beans dey, dodo dey.
No. But before you go restaurant, you suppose to
something
get
dey your mind.
Yes.
Say now you go eat when you reach there. As you dey there dey chop, another person come. Now wetin you wan eat?
But wait, Shakara.
Wetin I dey try talk be say.
Wait first.
Something
if
no
you
fit.
dey talk, try dey look front like this.
No. I
So that those people wey dey there go dey see your face.
Now you I wan look. You know why? Because you make me vex for that topic wey you bring.
Yeah, why?
Leave them.
Why you
Leave
vex?
them, make them dey house.
Why you vex?
Because me, I be person who say they like make front. You know this some way. You know those girls will be like say they wear airbag. And they like those ones. And then I get my friend will be say no like them at all. So I want to know which one man they like, which one man they like.
Question now because different men with different things. So you know, like.
But you know, say of a truth, say whether you like them or not. Majority of us men, one thing must always catch us when we see.
Which is
When we see woman.
which is
AJ.
which is
So
They say which one
which
be so
is
again.
talk am now.
This not objective.
They go so for me.
why I don't want to be saying, you know why I call the pause now?
Okay, more
Why
make
you
the exam
pause?
easy for you. Objective. A.
A.
Man U.
B.
C. Arsenal.
C. Chelsea.
Which one be Chelsea?
So say don't confuse.
What be Chelsea?
Bayern
Bayern Munich.
You know, say if they give you question,
But
if
for
they
me,
get all of their above.
Look, I don't get anything where I feel really say maybe na the bobby or na the backside. I like looks first.
Okay.
The face. If it's slim, if it's fat, but when I see the face and the face, they're very acceptable. That pollination, you understand what they inside
also
of
Igbo.
me.
Also
Cross
Igbo.
pollination go begin the occur.
Pongere.
Do you understand?
Pollination.
So
Pollination.
now when you come close, you can't notice. But one thing where I know, where no man on this earth, even us we dey here, no they carry play. No be just that backside na Bobby. Nigerian men.
Nigerian men, okay.
Nigerian men.
You say
No, they carry
Nigerian men,
Bobby
abi,
play.
but basically for me, I dey believe say my own na looks. Na the
Nah,
first
I
thing
thought say
wey-
looks,
na
yes.
the first thing wey dey turn me on if I see woman be that.
No, but
looks.
but
Na
looks,
looks, my own na looks.
looks they turn guy on.
No, for me na looks.
No,
See,
no.
When you see
Looks,
girl wey
but
fresh,
you
you
know
see
say-
babe wey fresh.
but you
You
know
know
say
wetin
e
we dey
get-
call sexy. Okay, make I mention name now. For instance, as you dey now, so you want tell me say you see babe like Kim Kardashian.
No be the face make you like her now. Keep no fine now. Now I keep no.
Another one.
Another
I be the
Kim.
one I know.
I be the one wey Kanye West
no,
like.
for
What is
this-
beauty?
When I meet Kim last year when I meet Kim Kardashian,
You know see this good now.
What are they tell you now? When I meet
make people they watch us notice say we don't
Notice say
drink.
we don't
and it's serious
Talk
now.
well.
When I meet
if you don't,
Kim,
if you
Kim
dey
no
talk
fine
this thing now, say when you meet Kim, this na drunk.
I know.
But Kim come
I know,
Nigeria
I
now.
know.
Kim
You
come
know,
Nigeria
yeah,
now.
they watch
Come
them.
on that show
But
now.
you know
They
say
take
you not go the
advice from
show
us,
now.
you
All of
understand?
us dey one place dey drink.
I
dey
dey
watch
inside
show.
the same room with Kim. He no fine.
Chai, this
I dey
boy
tell you,
Abia
Kim no
knows,
fine.
so this boy
Bring
Abia
the
knows,
drink for me. Because can I come up from in front? If I see your hand here again,
I will wound you.
drunkard.
I don't tell you my own.
They talk anyhow.
No be the no
Okay,
be
make I
the
ask you one question, abeg.
Eh.
You want tell me say if you see almost sexy now, you know who I dey
Omotola.
call almost? Yes, if you see almost sexy, you want wetin be almost
You
sexy?
know
no fine.
wetin go kill me for motor life I see am.
Wetin be the thing?
No be the looks. Na that hip. The hip wey she just carry.
Okay, wait. Now, in another news, you know say get some guests where you go see now their voice, now they turn you on, you know.
Thank you. But those
No be
boys,
full looks.
but ma tell you, but most times wey voice dey turn man on, no be in public.
No, in public. The
Na
way
lie.
she take talk.
So you dey inside bar now.
Some babes-
If DJ now play
Yes,
music
now.
for here now.
Some babes they dey wey be say okay like this girl like when Mariah Carey still dey very popular. I know say the girl once more just why say the first thing wey in the cannot trip for na the voice when she dey sing. You get and at the end of the day Mariam. You dey feel me so
tell you.
everybody get
The
different things wey
canon,
dey
the canon na Igbo man. Na Igbo man. No be the.
What are you trying
know,
to say
see,
now?
if you be
Itori Gwam now, say
Shakara,
Igbo men,
if
I
you
want
want
to
the
talk.
code,
Okay,
if
what
want
is
the
wrong with
code
this
wetin
boy?
the canon dey try talk. When man say na the voice, he try tell you say na the money. No be the voice dey bring the money.
Chai,
Today now, uncle, why you no follow the voice again?
chai.
You don't go follow Amber Rose.
Chai.
What I'm telling you is that you see for instance, Shakara, if you walk into this bar now, and one girl don't back you, you can't see the backside, the Mercedes Benz, everything dey very, very tight. From where you dey, you don't dey trip. Wetin you wan come look next and say, may you check if the.
If she get fine face. Now,
But wetin first move you?
but it is very rare. You know they very rare to just meet girls say you dey see her from back. most times when they meet girls, they meet them and at their front.
Na lie.
No, most times. Most times, 100%.
No,
Now they
most
tell you now,
times
say
not.
they very
Where
well.
you dey
It's
come
not like
from?
No, guy. But the thing be this, you know, say some babes even
Where
they
you dey come
Don't
from?
enter somewhere.
some babes even see some babes they will say if you see their message say from backside, by the time when you go come look the bonnet for front, it no make sense.
Okay, for
And
instance
you go
now,
come look and say,
for
"Child,
instance
you,
now,
I have
let me
wasted
tell
my
you,
energy."
let me tell you, do you know that even when you enter inside bar and girls sit down on top seats, and then maybe you dey opposite the girl, the next thing where your mind they wait for, now maybe
she
make this
stand
girl
up.
get up, go use bathroom. Because you won't see, in case na cripple or na this.
The way you don't see, because the way
Eh?
you're front.
The one wey dey for never
To
do
answer,
you.
to answer that question directly,
Eh.
waiting the first attract man. Now that's Bobby. Honestly speaking, because
Yes.
you know if you just
I agree.
see somebody like this, make your eye call the
So what
walk
are you
back.
trying to say now
But
that the
so
ones
somebody-
now we no can't get the Bobby Kwano?
Okay, majority of
That make they put many for trouble now. So no say that they say for this thing now for Yaba.
now I want to
Make
ask
you
you,
go here, but they say-
majority, which one they say pass, Nyash or Bobby?
I beg, make we go do a go
When we
for
come
street.
back, that question.
When
take
we
am.
come back, we go see talk the matter more. Now, Papa say on top of Wazobia TV, we
I
dey
know
come
wetin
back.
they say pass.
Your beauty, your facial beauty,
Style and attitude. The physical appearance of that woman is the first thing that the man will see.
first of all, the shape.
The dressing, the face, you know.
Na the Bobby, na the Bobby, and the height.
The physique will be the first thing I'll first look, then later the other things.
There are different kinds and categories of men. Some men like women wey get everything Bobby. You know wetin I dey talk. Some men like women wey get brain. Women wey fit talk sense. Person like me, na woman wey get brain and dey follow. When we don dey talk to am, we go see whether she get sense to maintain family.
Head, your breast, then your bubble. That's the three things.
I beg if you just dey join us, that's still BOBOS here on top of Wazobia TV. Yes, so. With that one, when I just sit down, I they call I go for streets. If you just dey join us, matter what they talk about now, say, waiting be that thing where they trick man, where they turn man on. The first time we see woman, or you both call them attraction. We fit still put her like that. Now matter what they talk about. Our social media portals they run through your screen. I beg, they follow us, they talk. Make we dey hear with you, they talk. I beg.
But this matter will cause confusion. So the people where they inside bar, where would they drink safe?
They want follow shout.
They won't even
You don't see that guy within that corner and say, wait, the guy is
But all the same, our next one, I will go bring one of our fans.
Yes.
Maybe anybody will jump for bar, will give them.
I dey tell you just give
No,
am
now
privilege.
this week. This week now our week. So tomorrow one now we'll get one
We'll
male,
get
one male
one
fan.
male, yeah,
we
you
go
know.
enter inside. But picking on from waiting
These people don't
this
talk
guy
for
talk.
here.
I want to tell you point blank and categorically say those people they lie.
No,
Okay,
no,
You know why?
No toxin
Show
any
man.
lie.
Yeah.
No toxin any
Show
lie.
man.
But say you know say intelligence they very, very
Yes,
important.
now.
You
yes.
know they
Very,
look
very
any
important.
woman intelligent.
Wait. After when you don't see, when you don't see the babe facial attract. Okay, yes, you don't they attracted to her facially and all that. But see, the next thing I say,
Oh,
when
yeah,
you see
wait.
that,
My brother,
you don't see
sorry.
any babes. Wait,
Shakara,
wait.
wait.
I
Ugo,
school for
Ugo.
Ibadan.
Ugo,
Cherugodo.
wait.
I school for Ibadan. You know say get some girls you go see, then find pieces. When you near them finish, hello, Ekaro. Now wetin go here?
You know why I for like
For now they're not here.
You know why I for
Nothing they
like
no
spare for
sabi.
this guy.
They no do sabi do nothing. But
wetin
you know,
be the question wey we ask be say
Wetin dey
wetin
attract
be
man?
the first
thing that be-
but I dey tell
I
you.
no wan know wetin they do
What is
afterwards.
come next? Okay.
I no wan
yes,
know.
for that one, show
But
man win.
yes,
wait.
he win.
Chere, wait.
When
Now,
they go
so man,
marital, yes sir.
my friend, listen
I
to
hear
me.
you, I hear you, sir.
Now, let me tell you something now.
In fact,
To
una
me.
go fight to that today.
To me, wetin dey really attract man first na dressing. Wetin the girl wear. You know why? You know say if you see dirty girl, all those local street girls wey get big bobby, you no go even look two times. Talk true.
True.
You never dey pass through some kind area. Let me say you go motion. You never see on streets, normal street girl we just you know they attract you. But if that is which banana are you staying there?
Show man on the difference.
So where do I stay?
You don't know the difference.
Oh, man on the difference. How about this boy? Oh, man on the
so when I
difference.
try talk, we say the way girl dress, if she dress well, you know, say see this girl, man, she bad.
Shakara.
Look her shoes. Number one, wait. Man, tell you one thing now. I get one of my friends. You know what you high see girl wear high heel. Swear to God.
I love high heel.
See, once you wear high heel like this,
He go finish.
he go begin, all the body go begin shake. Now go tell her say, shake, now the high heel, now you won't carry food for bed.
Now, when you enter this high heel part, you understand? It won't make me agree with you on the dressing part. But which I know say of a truth, you understand? No be the dressing way with the look. You see those things only enhance within them.
That be first attraction now.
No.
Only you remind
But you know, say get some girls where you go.
Yes,
you get some girls.
Your first attraction don't be
Wait,
disclosed.
you get some girls where you go meet. Maybe let's even talk about this dressing thing, self, a little bit.
For instance, now, get where they open all of this place. Here. Now, wait, sorry, wait.
Cleavage, you know,
a girl will open here. What is that called? Dressing, Abi? Now how she dress. But waiting you they look, no be the dressing.
No be even the exposure they talk. I know say make get
I'm
dress
giving
exposed.
you for instance.
No, me when I mention dressing.
So when you see girl wear high heels, like
wait,
when girl wear high heel, you can say, oh boy, see this girl.
Now make my people say the difference between pekere and plantain chips na packaging. You see?
I agree with you.
The two of them na plantain where they fry you. But one they use nylon take tie am.
Now
the other one them package and wear.
God
so
bless you.
that girl we just dey we no dress well but she gather things. She no go dey attracted to you. I don't know whether
so that tells you that it's not dressing because you see.
It's
you are
dressing
you
now.
see packaging.
No,
packaging.
What is dressing? What is packaging? You never see who dress well when they say this guy package well.
Wetin you want chop? No be the plantain.
Sisi opinion, before I couple months here. Sisi opinion, we are coming back. Sisi opinion.
Package.
Chai.
So many things, beauty, the way the person talk,
The woman's beauty, attraction, that is the body physique, the body language.
and now in beauty, and the way she dey take carry herself, and of course, if the lady fit talk at that time, you go look the way she dey take talk, most especially now the beauty and her carriage.
Sometimes it fit be physical attraction, maybe how beautiful she looks, her dressing. Some men believe in some men still believe say if woman fine, now the first thing we go first attract am be that. So now the beauty, now be the first thing wey man dey look if you wan approach any woman.
Yo! Yes. Welcome back. It's organic.
I want to welcome them back.
For what?
Because that girl.
No let that girl talk. You know, say that people will talk since we say appearance. We don't hear the one we talk about appearance.
You don't even hear the one we talk beauty. Now only that girl you want to talk.
Una, welcome back to the show that the fans are always supporting me. Beauty.
Oh, dear.
That last girl say beauty. You get one girl we say wetin we dey attracted to.
You know, say people they talk from experience. You know, say that girl fine, and she don't be like who got that thing. Wait. All the men when they meet her already say, man, you are beautiful. I like you. You know, say get some men when they meet girls say, man, you are endowed. I like your, I like your everything.
Now,
she never hear that thing before from any man.
Why do we have things like when they say girls they're bad dressing? When some girls wear skimpy things go club. Why? Because they won't expose those things where they make you know they smile where they make us at that club. No be only club, even for churches now. The pastor waiting for pastor for Kenya where tell all the girls say maybe they wear pants come church and come.
Hey, no, that not for healing. No.
That one so that Holy Spirit can voo. Pastor,
that man of God.
In fact,
I
would like to come to your church.
Let me tell you.
Invite me.
There's no how that man of God they preach about David. Or no, man say Paul. If any girl where you just see as he open leg, he will change the message. And David, as he was going to the battle, he said, I'm not going. And he saw Bathsheba. And he looked, my brother.
But
So
wait,
that's why.
see, leave all this pastor.
So, but it boils down to the fact. See, I like when you say dressing because see that dressing they make us one look, but you see that dressing, you must dress. You must expose something we man won't see.
You don't need to expose.
But you know, say some babes say, okay, may we use where we dey work as example. May you carry for instance Queen B stand. You carry Courage stand. You can't carry Benedict put for middle. Which one you go first see first?
Now,
out of the three, Queen B,
one way
Courage,
now
and Benedict.
One now rubber.
No, she not too rubber like that. She be average now.
For the three, for the three, where you call?
She don't take some Chinese.
Now question, answer me inside these three people now.
They don't know who you mentioned. So I want to explain. Say the one where you call now Orobo. One with the other one now Smally. That is like Lekpa. Then the last one na mini. I won't call him. She know Lekpa. She
in
know
between.
In between.
Okay.
As a Nigerian man. As a Nigerian man. Where I know say I don't want to marry any of the three.
Answer the question as a Nigerian. You be Ghanaian before.
In fact, it's a good story.
As
No,
a Nigerian,
I'm not being
as a
No,
Nigerian
man, what will you do? You have to either chop the three. You
my friend, Kylie Henneman on social media.
But true, you don't say this beauty thing. I agree small, say they attract. Now make you go see you when like 3 girls they work out. Now you find one, now you first call. And once you call the find one, say hello, excuse me, the one we have discouraged us.
Yes.
Hello, we are busy. We are busy. We are. I don't talk to you.
I don't know. That's why if you also want to catch the fine girl, go through the wawa.
Call the yes.
Oh yeah. Read social media. I don't know what people don't talk.
Let me call this wawa guy. Make her read this thing before you.
Bia, onya promo na.
No, you know that now
No,
before Biafra now.
You don't fight.
No, you don't find no. Now what for you?
Promo na.
With this baby where you set you find.
Oh, give myself na promo.
I don't read this topic. Go.
In fact,
At Mark, okay, he say,
can make sure go down first.
Bobina, that means that Bobby wants. At Ben 20, now Uku, my brother. If you don't carry for back, I go look am once. Walker pass. At Kule 14 say, Manchester things. She gas carry better pillow in front. For front. Correct, for front. At Hassan 18, and you know what I mean by hour of time. Hourglass shape. Okay, hourglass shape. I love curvy girls. Okay. Love your show, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Because may we do what does for sharp. When we come back, we go talk. Uwe, maybe go that segment with Sonju, the things we need you to know. And Abiati, don't move. Yes, now the word don't spoil, we'll carry Sonju now be that. One I don't see. When I don't say before, we know to get this matter for Nigeria like that. But the thing come plenty one time. Somebody can't come raise head, help us clear road. But now the thing don't dig again. Why?
You know why that's. You know why?
Who help us clear road? Call her name now. More they
Dora.
give credit.
Dr. Dora.
But you know why this topic they more pertaining to us. Where they for inside the bar. You know, say last week most of the alcohol where they
have so rest
drink
in
the
peace.
day where get me.
That woman
Meaning, you get some clubs. Wait, Shoma don't remind me because this thing happened to me. Like get some club. We say they say their drink very expensive and yet they go somewhere go buy drink. Small money, small amount, fake. You can't go drink and can't purge.
You can't purge. That time most time when you drink, and it depends on where the kind of club where you go. You understand? That's why I like when I like club for places.
But one thing don't happen for one club. I know we'll call the club name to us. Me and my brothers, we been go drink, we go just go flex. But Wetin can finally happen and say the first 2 bottles we themselves give us, now be the original bottles. The rest.
You know what they do? They first bring original when you get your senses.
You don't hide.
You don't know, but when you don't hide. They'll begin bringing water and acid.
If they follow us, now pan wine, they go to drink instead.
See,
because they don't be fake pan wine.
I beg, I want to use this opportunity to beg now that when Mama Day, Dora, I would really clap for her.
She tried well. So rest in peace.
I want, anybody where they there now, okay, now my chairman self.
Now Dr. Paulo.
Dr. Paul. Paul or he. Master, I know say they try more. Because again, one thing happen before Dora time. You know, so when have that ban things, they show for news that time, they go, drugs, they'll say, all these drugs are fake. Come on, set them ablaze or put fire go to burn. You can't reach where they see stocky. These stocky are fake. Pack them one side, we are going to burn them. Pack them one side, bring them inside, we'll burn them.
Where I did try also talk to NAFDAC and everything. It did more because me I did very conservative. Condom. Too many fake condoms. Last week, I don't know who one person they tell me the story. Say all the condom when they try one.
Express yourself. Express yourself.
What happened last week? Leave it, please.
All of them begin break.
Shakara no be our friend. Leave this showman matter wey dey always talk every time.
I don't know why my friend complain. He showed me everything.
Your friend that be you.
He showed me everything.
Your friend
or
you.
You get the one way he puts. You know size am.
Chai. Shakara.
Come on, there, condom no get
Wetin dey cheap you first if you see babe.
Na unisex, I no get size.
Wetin
everywhere here.
Wetin dey cheap you first if you see babe.
Actually, na appearance, you know.
Appearance for you, abi? Showman.
Beauty, man. Beauty.
Nigerian babes, look at me well. And I like Manchester. Gigen when pillow ni who don't look at me. From me, Shakara and Showman, we say. Good night. DJ, Pamuri, my friend. Campbell, what's up, yo?
This is our DJ today.